Well, when we got here, another train coming. Got a surprising triple train meet. Another one. Another surprising triple train meet in like what, 2 days? This is like, I don't know how many times. And I'm always getting a surprising meet. I'm always getting surprising meets. I'm always getting surprising meets. She will do that, Amanda, babe. But right now, I'm in the middle of doing a train right now, but it's kind of a little misty out here. It's a little cloudy out here because this misty weather is slowing down the trains and it's causing confusion and delay. It's causing confusion and delay, honey. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. That looked like a jet. I don't know what's going on. It's just the cold weather. Hope I can get the BC Rail Heritage Unit or one of the 25th anniversary GVOs I haven't seen. Hasn't got a chance to come back yet. They are 5828, 5869, 5872, 6017, 6022, 6075, 6078, 6111, 6163. And 6179. Those are the 10. Those are one of the 10 BNSF 25th anniversary heritage units I haven't seen. I want to see one of them. I would love to see what one of them leading a train. Leading a freight train. You know, I would love to see one of those leading. It's just really misty out here. I don't know what's going on, but this cloudy mist is just causing confusion and delay. It's just been slowing down the trains for like what, 3 days now? For like 4 days. For the past 3 or 4 days now. Got another one. Got another one on the way. Got another northbound on the way. All I have to do is wait on it. All I have to do is wait on the headlights to see what's leading. I don't know what might be leading this train, but I'll find out. But I'll actually find out whenever it gets here. Whenever it comes through that cloudy mist. Whenever it appears out of that cloudy mist. Whenever the headlights appear out of the cloudy mist. They're appearing slowly. Oh, look and listen for it. I see him. It's yellow over green, a medium approach with caution, and there they are down there. There they are in the distance. There's a set of headlights down there. About almost 2 miles that way. About over a mile that way. And they're appearing right now. I wonder what's leading. Wonder what those headlights look like. This was a 2x0 northbound grain train, CN G872 on the CN Champaign Chicago sub, 8013-2618. (8013-2618). The CNG 872 starts out in Jackson, Mississippi, and it terminates in Toronto, Canada. Preps the cars in Champaign, Illinois, and Gilman, Illinois again, and it continues on to Toronto, Canada, where it terminates on Wednesday, November 19th, 2025. 8013-2618. What an amazing, surprising triple train meet.